With Splash and the Soldier the Gang Spitter with Miss Leray situation, she getting a lot of I'm not impressed type crowds. When she go to perform, like she got the records, she producing the records. They watching it on YouTube, they clicking on it, they running her streams up. But when she go to perform it, they're not buying into what she presenting or what she's selling. Which if situations keep happening like this, but the people are not being into the performance, people are not being hyped, the crowd did, that could in the future affect her business, affect her money. You know, promoters, they keep looking at that, you know, especially if she already came to their city and she got a big record over the radio, she got a big song that's doing numbers, and the people still not, you know, they purchasing the tickets when she come, but some states, it's not even packed out, it's not even sold out. Some it is. They let you know she got a stronger listening party in certain areas than others. You know, so after she keep producing these hit records with these major artists, and she keep wanting more for show money and more for features, maybe the feature money will still be okay because you still could produce the numbers. You get the playtime on the radio, you still getting the views on YouTube, you still getting the streams. Now when it start affecting the numbers, then even the feature prices, you're gonna have to come down, or your phone ain't gonna ring like it used to. You could be one of them, you don't want to lower the price, the phone ain't gonna ring like it used to. So that's your still argument with the labels. Because the labels, because when you drop your album and if you don't do good, if you don't sell at least 50,000 the first week, 100,000, 40,000, if you do like 10, 15, 25, the label's gonna look like when it's time to renegotiate, they're not gonna give you a bigger check. When it's time to ask for more money, they're gonna be losing in their investment. So when it's time to renegotiate with the contract, you might not get another contract with them or extension or more money. They might want to do a single deal with you, let alone how much publishing and masters they own or yours. If you ain't give all that up, that's what, see, it can all, you know, be that domino effect. Like it start with the people not being into it with the shows, then the numbers start dropping. When you drop the album, it don't sell. You don't even sell 200,000. Then the views start going down. Then they bring your daddy back in it. Benzino, they bring him back in it somewhat. It can go like that. Unless you got them hardcore fans. You know, people just giving you a hard time on the road, but you still got them hardcore fans. When you drop, you know, you still gonna sell. You still gonna do 100,000. You still gonna get awards. You still gonna, get number ones or stay in the top 20, top 10 Billboard charts. You know, and labels will see, once they see the numbers and everything come back, and they see the reaction of everybody and the numbers come back, they'll see where your biggest numbers come from. Is it better? Are you better with when you feature with an artist like Lil Baby or Pooh Shiesty or Young Thug? You fit better with an artist like that, the newest, hottest artist in the game? Do we need to keep doing records like that? And you have a DJ Khaled type album, and that's how you sell and, you know, survive in the game, because you got to get in where you fit in. Anything is better than nothing. That's better than not having nothing. So, you know what I'm saying? Still your songs, you just got to spend a lot of, when the labels give you money, you just got to have a big budget for all these different superstar artists, besides the one you build personal relationships with. Y'all just give each other songs back and forth type. So they'll look at your streaming, they'll look at your YouTube views, they'll see like, oh, when she push out a solo joint with just her on it, she on 2 or 3 verses, the hook, the bridge and everything, the video might do 400,000, 500,000, 300,000, 200, high in the twos, maybe 700,000. But when she featured the hottest artist or just a rapper or another R&B singer or something, she get 20 million, she get 15 million, 10 million. And that we'll push more towards, like, she worked better as a team player. The people want to hear with another artist to back her up. And that's okay as long as it work. If it work, that's still good money. So Leray, if it do play out like that and the people act funny with you and they flip on you and they don't really buy the record when it drop, as far as like the album, when they ain't really being into it with the shows, that means, you know, your time is limited. So you need to make the most of it. What you need to do is run your bag up. Don't be spending all this money on the jewelry, all the extra stuff. The drip that you got, the style, your style, that's your style right there. That ain't too expensive. You ain't got to go on all that design, all that. Sometimes, you know, you look just certain spots and, you know, this is part of the lifestyle, but it don't got to be everyday type. You don't gotta have a lamb and all that there. You good. Keep the SRT. Get you a Corvette, get you a Benz or something. You good. You know, just stay fly, just stay dropping that music. Then after that, find you some, get your own, start your own company. Then you got to start your own label, build it up, find some local talent in Boston or in the surrounding areas up that way in Massachusetts or New York, New Jersey. Find somebody that can, you know, it fit your brand, fit your sound, or they can be different. Turn them up, pipe them up, had a chain, everything ready, had a rap startup kit. It could be a male or a female. Find out who you vibe with more, make better music with, whether it's a male rap artist or female rap artist, R&B singers, males, females, whatever. And that's what you look forward towards when you're trying to sign. But it still all depends on what type of CEO you're gonna be. Is you gonna be the type of CEO that still wanna be an artist? So you'll look forward towards somebody who y'all both can vibe with when y'all doing songs with each other, cause y'all helping each other out. Or you the type of CEO who's gonna be like P, you gonna sit back. You ain't gonna be no artist, you ain't care about dropping no songs. You don't care about being on the radio, you don't care about being in videos no more. You just fall all the way back. Then it don't matter, you don't gotta vibe. As long as the people feel them, it don't even matter. Y'all sound don't even gotta connect or nothing. It could be a whole different type of sauce, a whole different type of drip. So understand. But what you're gonna wanna do is when you find your artist, you gotta make sure they wanna be an artist. Cause this the artist you wanna turn into a money bag yo. You wanna be Yo Gotti, and you wanna turn this artist to a money bag yo. You want him to build himself up where he can build himself and build another label and then bring other artists like Big 30 on board. You want a team like that, you want an army like that. You got an army, which would be your money bag or artist was like on his level type, and then Moneybag got an army, and then his artist big, he got an army, and yeah, y'all all join together. Y'all can't lose, y'all can't fall off. You gotta get locked up or you gotta get killed. That's the only way. So you want the Moneybag Yo type of artist that's gonna keep building, adding on to the brand. You can't really give him a 360 deal. You gotta pay him. You gotta do him right, so he can stay. So in his contract, when he'll stay with you. Say you do a 3-album deal, 4-album deal, he'll stay with you, then he'll dip. He'll fulfill his contract, especially the people feeling him. He going #1, going platinum, outselling you. He sold more records than you have, type. So yeah, he ain't gonna wanna stick with you. So you do him right. You can always, don't worry about muscle. Don't worry about if he run the city or he got all the muscle, everybody scared of him. Everybody, he's starting these people, his clique, you ain't gotta worry about it. You can always get muscle. You can always muscle in every city, every state, every hood. You can always buy muscle. Muscle is always for sale. But talent, nah, that's hard to find. Somebody that's, really wanna be an artist, really wanna change. He's still with that, but he gonna, stay away from that. He ain't gonna be looking for it. He gonna be about his money, about his paper. And he gonna put his people in position to win. It could be like that for you, but if you get caught up in the hype and get caught up in the light and you get stuck at trying to be an artist and trying to prove the fans wrong and trying to do more than what your daddy did and really be in your feelings and start getting into relationships that don't work and you let everything stress you out, everybody getting to you, then you'll be the chick that had 2 or 3 songs. Then you'll be forced to go on TV. You'll be on Love and Hip Hop. You'll be on one of these VH1 shows, BET shows, MTV, Diddy, Revolt TV. You be on there and they have you arguing with your daddy. You get pregnant by somebody or you be dating this chick or whatever you into. And yeah, and you be still trying to rap and performing in front of shows and they'll still keep that same concept. People ain't into it, like it'll be all that fake type. While you got the spotlight, the people ain't booing you. They just not into it. So while you still got the spotlight and they still listening, go ahead and create some brands. Go ahead and come out with something. Try to make a brand. You can make a brand bigger than you. Open up you some shops in Boston. Get you some vending machines. Start you a rental car company, like Turo or something. Get you some trucks. Yeah, because ain't no telling when the fans gonna turn their back on you. They already doing it in the beginning of your career. Like when you start to pop off, so they already showing you they can flip on you. So yeah, go ahead, while you getting the money, go ahead and have that plan B and have that plan C. And show them you're gonna still maintain your lifestyle. You still gonna stand on top. You still gonna stand on all 10. If they're gonna support you or not, because you made the right decision when you had the bag, when you had the chance. While you getting 30 a show, 40 a show, 20 a show, 30, 40, 20 for a verse. You getting 6-figure YouTube checks and getting walkthroughs and all that. While you getting that, don't fall into the material things. Your look don't recall all this heavy spending. Where all your bills a month, 50,000. You ain't gotta do that. Wait, keep flipping that money. Find your artist. Y'all can help each other. Don't get one that's already big like Rich Homie Quan. Don't get one like that. Y'all might fall out because he might know more than you do because you're still learning. So you get somebody who got a lot of talent but got patient and believe in you, and y'all grow together and be strong. It is what it is on that. That's my take on this situation right here, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Go.